Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Summer. And to all of you that keep coming back, hello and welcome back. Quick reminder, if you've never subscribed, just to remind you to click that red button there that says subscribe, and after that click the bell sign. That's where you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. The other day I actually got a comment. I was surprised. I got a comment. Somebody was like, Summer, you have not uploaded for a while. I hope everything is fine. And I was like, has it been that long? I didn't even realize. Anyways, I am fine. For those of you that do not know, I have 3 channels. I know some people will start calculating my money now for me. I have 3 channels. I'm just trying to put as much content as I can. Sometimes I get tired, I take a break. It's not easy. It's only me one. It's only me what can come. I'm gonna put a link to all my channels there, so if you're ever looking for me and you come here, you don't find me, check me on my Pidgin English channel, or you check me on my other channel, which is home, garden, lifestyle, and all of those, cooking and stuff like that. Okay, so if you don't find me here, you find me there. I do my best, but when I'm tired, I take a break because I'm running this thing by myself. For those of you that do not know, I'm a nurse as well. I'm a family woman running my household. So like I've said it before, I started YouTube as a hobby because I have free time to do it. So I do it when there's that time. When there's no time, I take a break. It can be exhausting sometimes. So sometimes, like at the moment, like I said, I'm running 3 channels. It's very easy for somebody to say, oh, keep going, you know, because you're making money from 3 different channels, you know. What is life? What is life? You need the good health. You need good health. You need to take a break when you need the break, you know, relax when you need to relax, and all of those things. So life is not all about the money and stuff like that. So I do create content. Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, sometimes I get tired and I take my time and I take a break and stuff like that. So, but I was surprised. But I was only 1 week ago I uploaded a video. Let me see, because then I started saying, it don't take rich like that. Let me see. I don't think it's up to a week. Yeah, I have a video. My last video was 1 week ago, and that's that anyway. So if you ever come here, you don't find me, go to my Pidgin English channel or go to the other one. I'm always going to be here and there. And if I'm not there, oh, before I forget, community page. I'm very active on my community page. I post on the community page because there's something I want to talk about. I post it there and people are chipping in and we're all discussing and stuff like that. I'm very regular on my community page. So if you don't know, just look at the top bar of the YouTube channel and you will see they say like videos about whatever community channels. You see one that is community, click it and you can see community posts that are there. I'm always sharing stuff on that side. So yeah, so today's video, I saw this clip and I wanted to share with you guys. The guy is a clip about a guy that tried to propose to a girl and she wasn't happy because he didn't go on his knees. Okay, I'll let you guys watch this and I'm gonna come back and say what's on my mind.
Yeah. Will you marry me?
Why you standing?
What? That doesn't change anything. But I love you. People are watching.
What is people watching us? You're discussing and balancing your style when you're telling them.
Kneel
What
down.
you say?
Good on your knees.
On my knees. Why will I kneel down?
I need that beg.
I don't understand you. You are engaging me. You are standing down. You are telling me. Even your. You are even telling you to kneel down.
I really love you. Kneeling down does not show that I love you. I love you, and that is love for you. I have genuine love.
Wait. Meaning that I
Please
don't
calm
want
down.
it.
People
Like,
are
I
here.
don't
People are
want
watching us.
it.
People are
People are
watching.
watching. You are discussing. You are telling me people are watching. So what?
I really love you from the depth of my heart. I want to show it. It is not by kneeling down. If I kneel down, this is not love anymore. That is not love. Please, I love you. We have been doing this. We have been in a relationship for more than 5 years, and you should know I really love you.
Ojua, what doing at all is what doing well. So kneel down
There are people here.
and engage her.
I should kneel down? No. If kneeling down means no. If that is to show that I love her, that is not love. I really love you for all this. Why? If I'm going to take you to church, am I going to kneel down will pastor tell me to kneel down to give you wedding ring? Please accept my love. I have sincere love from inside. That is no embarrassment. I really love you. Please take the ring. Please, you have been doing this. Please. Not be until I kneel down, go show say I love you. You know say I love you.
What are you saying? You are proposing to me, you are standing down, you are telling me that you're which type of love? Let me tell you something. Tell me then you're fucking love. Okay? Don't touch me. What's the meaning of that? Are you touching me?
No.
What is all this? You called me from far distance and come to this and start embarrassing me. You're engaging me and you're not kneeling down. And I don't want it. Like I don't want it. I don't want someone kneeling down for me. Like I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
If that is love, if kneeling down is love, for me that is not love. I really love you.
Then engage yourself.
We're not calling videos.
Please, I do.
You don't follow me.
So I watched that video and I was thinking to myself, you know, everybody's opinion is going to be different, but I feel like going down on your knees, I think it's becoming really overrated. Like I don't feel like it's something that must be done. But unfortunately, we live in a world where there's social media and all these things, and people are beginning to make it the norm. It's becoming the norm. It's all over. The guy goes on his knees and he brings out the ring and the girl's like, oh my goodness, and all of that. Everybody is becoming westernized. Excuse me. So her friends got engaged and the guy was on his knees and, you know, went down on one knee and proposed, and the girl, and they posted it on social media, and then now it's her turn and you don't want to go on your knee. How am I going to share that on Facebook? How am I going? Do you know what I'm trying to say? Because in her mind, this is now the norm. You get my point? I personally do not feel like it's compulsory to go on your knee. Like I made this video as well. I'm going to share it on my, I don't know which I'm going to share first, in my Pidgin English channel or here, but I'm just saying that there are some people that they propose to lying down. so people were proposed to lying down. Our fathers, did they kneel down? They did not kneel down to lie down. They did not kneel down to propose. And a lot of them, their marriages lasted long. I do not feel like it's a necessity. But everybody is different. That's what she wants. I think we should address the fact that this is a Western culture that we have borrowed and we have taken over, completely taken over. Let's not make unnecessary things look as if it's necessary. I personally do not feel like, some people have proposed by sitting down, you know, two people sitting down together, they are having a cup of drink or something, and the guy pops out the ring. There are different types of proposals. Maybe there are some that you see, they put the ring in the drink and the lady is drinking it, and they, oh, there's a, what's it called? There's a ring in her mouth, and the guy said, will you marry me? And that is the different styles. They're different styles, and they don't go down on their knees. So I don't feel like it is, you know, the important thing is if two people really love each other. So wait, everybody is free, leave your opinion in the comment section. And then at the same time, if you look at how much that guy really hesitated, how angry he is at the concept of going down on his knees, the part of you feels like, he says he loves her, but I feel like, you know, part of you will feel like, okay, if you really, really love her, some men will be like, I really, really love her. If that's what she wants, I would do that. You know, I would go on my knees to show her that I love her. I would prove it. You know, I would do, is that what you want? Okay, I'll go on my knees. I really want you in my life. You know, but he didn't feel like that. So, from the get-go, the question then is, are they a match? You get my point? Forget about marriage. Forget about marriage. They're already arguing at the proposal stage. They're not engaged yet. Proposal stage, and they're arguing like this. What kind of a marriage are they going to have? So I feel like they should walk away from this and say, we don't actually belong together. You know, the guy's idea of, you know, you can see from the onset, you can already see that two of them, they have different ideas of what, you know, they want. Like, how do I say it? Like, they see things differently. Even at the proposal stage, I feel like they should just forget it. And if you see the amount of anger that's coming, looking at the amount of anger that's coming from both sides, like there's no way anybody in their right minds would advise these two to get married. You know, he comes across as very stubborn, like holding on to what he believes, and she is very stubborn at holding on to what she believes. They should forget it. Like, forget about the whole thing. That's how I see it. But like I said, you know, I'm going to be honest, I don't feel like going down on knees should matter. That's how I feel about it. And then for a guy, I feel like to a great extent, a guy that really, really loves a woman should be willing to go lengths to prove that, oh, okay, is that what you want? Okay, there, I'll go. Let me tell you, go down on your knees. Your knees will not stick to the ground. If you go down on your knees, it will not get stuck on the ground. After how many seconds you get up? Isn't that how it is? It doesn't take anything from you, but there are some men that feel like, me kneel down for a woman. God forbid. You know, so that's already who he is. And they don't match. There's another woman that's going to be suitable for him. That's the thing. There's a man that's going to be suitable for her. But I personally do not feel like these two are a match. If there's anything, their proposal stage was the biggest. It was the first. How do I say? They already failed the test at the proposal stage, and that's how I feel about it anyways. I feel like no, they should just forget about it, because this is only the beginning. I feel like their marriage is going to be full of arguments because they don't see things the same way. That's my opinion anyways. Whatever your opinion is, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And with that, I'm going to say thank you for watching. Until the next time, guys. Bye bye. My name is